the claim say na or the car no air pim gate no. And of course gate ni metal gate. Jeff my car no a picture no na yenhwa de car no adjustable car no na yemfa enyina so enka say me because me hu ni say and some no just as you were reading the first police report nearby no ohe car ya edaho ya oba Facebook na ohe car ya si ho ya we after the incident and the police no is seize and also impound the car no and ohe car na nim no a now ohe metal gate na yesi ebu edaho no a I will in fact I am a drink akra se meja tum se or the sa car no and a pim gate no se car na nim no ba ofi
car na nim ba there you don't see any visible damage car na nim just pause my you don't see any visible damage though, but I see a bit of scratch kakra we nim but it doesn't look like as a anya heavy hit, right? But and also the for now, I just forensic.
So no, yeah, can't. I'm not saying that.
Yes, that's why I'm saying that. I just forensic. Yeah. But the idea, I see some scratches in front there, but it could also be an earlier happening to the car.
Okay.
From maybe on the road. But unless those things goes on, but the air can say so. Anymore, I see gate here. It doesn't look. It's hard to believe. And I say
sanity.
Okay.
Oh, gate na. Yede beto hose a Buddha hono. Say a two gates ni mo pa na se car wey the speed at the pim musa
gate na
ati pa timi to ato hono a. Now we car na nim na. Me fact me here say police for no ombesan ba
gate nati on dem eche you gate nati e na mirror bi su da fam but Jeff sa fa car na nim bre me na me hwe mirror no car na nim police station wo de na hwe ade nyina okay ampa go back na my way no ko back car na nim na ohwe pause wa ha ma bra fam na pause my o mirror no the mirror na echiri ati da fam na ye car we ya because on say ho na driver side no ati da but as you say etuo ne bo mu we don't know
but me ba say e gate na esi ho no na esi gate ni ba kwa tie na esi car we na epim a me na make say
me wonwa
kakra say and then if you look at the crown ebo kama wo he bibia ni ho ase wo car nanim even number plate ni bo speeder car we betimi dia boss gate ni mu ama na tu ato metal gate ma na tu ato form no me hu no say e car we say
enye we ya
me personally me hu no say ebia oye bibi fufuro na so the car fufuro
there are other accounts kra na amanfo bi so kire and on social media say omususu say ebia oye no na ebinum ase gate no
okay
piche by na ebinum ati gate na as a man for be a candidate
they are all on the desk they're all options are on the desk preliminary the air share is here no me hu say car we entimi mosa metal gate nim e ma ni tu say pon ento honom because wa bra car no
damage heavy damage bia
police report who say we second one now point how many points about 6 or so points no upgrade of first one of the buy no they wanted further and better particulars and ama omo ede sa we the buy am say o kwa so
cobra
on